Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find posts that are hidden from your profile on Facebook using your PC. Whether you accidentally hit a post or want to revisit something, this step-by-step process will help you locate those hidden posts effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Facebook by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps track of all your actions and interactions on the platform. Next, under the section labeled Your Facebook Activity, look for the option that says Posts and click on it. This will filter your activity log to show only posts you've interacted with. Now scroll down and click on Posts Hidden from Profile. This option will display all the posts that you've previously hidden from your timeline or profile. Here, you'll see a list of hidden posts organized chronologically. From this page, you can view these posts, unhide them if needed, or simply revisit them for personal reference. To unhide a post, click on the three dots next to it and select the option to restore it to your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully found posts hidden from your profile on Facebook using your PC. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance navigating their Facebook settings. Thank you for watching.